You know, there have been people have asked, you know, a lot of these events we do today are, you know, from things you do at home on the ranch that were turned into sporting events. If you're wondering where this one started from, this is what older brothers did to boyfriends they didn't like that came home with their younger sisters. So we've got Kim, the old pro Bettinelli, Roxanne with her pink helmet. She is taking the more aerodynamic approach. You see she'll be going feet first, pulling back to keep the front up. That horse is trying to figure out what's going on with that bright pink helmet. All right, he's up and set. And he's off. The flag is down, the clock is started. Down the arena. Even if you finish, you'll pick up a time. You gotta get around, get around, get around, get around, little doggies. There we go. Help them out, coming home. Ballerina. Help them out. They're on their way. They're on their way. There we go. Big round of applause. In a time of 14.81.
What's that?